What is the EMT3 system by Disaster Management Systems? EMT3 system stands for Enhanced Method of Triage, Treatment, and Transport. The EMT3 system works alongside any of the all-risk triage tags offered by DMS. The EMT3 system is scalable to successfully manage any size MCI. From a small incident such as an auto accident involving several patients, to a large-scale MCI such as a natural disaster with dozens of patients. The EMT3 system allows you to assign personnel to key positions such as Triage Unit Leader, Treatment Unit Leader, and Transportation Unit Leader. The personnel assigned to each of the included ICS positions will be provided the appropriate paperwork to help manage and track patients throughout the MCI. Dynamic position vests are included in our rapid response kits. The components included with each clipboard will allow personnel to stay organized and track the number of patients who entered and exited each area. At the end of the event, the number of patients who were triaged, treated, and transported will all be accounted for and recorded to allow for accurate patient count. Patient acuity and patient destination are documented and available for quick reference. Did we mention that all of the included forms are printed on waterproof and tear-proof material? This allows you to store the forms for record keeping and after-action review purposes. There are a few different options of the EMT3 system to choose from. From the EMT3 Quick Kit, which is great for the smaller incidents we mentioned earlier, and ideal for all ambulances to carry on board, to the EMT3 Go Kit, which includes 8 key positions, all the way up to our 13-position Rapid Response Kit, which includes everything in the EMT3 Go Kit, plus treatment area tarps, and 13 key ICS position vests, giving an even greater level of organization and scene management. A similar organizational method to our EMT3 system is utilized in our Surge Response System SRS Go Kit and SRS Rapid Response Kit for hospitals and first receivers. If you have any questions, please visit our website below or contact our sales team, and they'll be happy to assist your department with its disaster preparedness needs.